Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this Elkridge 290. Really nice, short, not that too long. This power awning, of course, as you see, with the outside speakers. Those they light up, and of course they're waterproof. As we come through here, we show you this little basement right there. Some of them are bigger than this, but this is what this short fifth wheel would give you with a TV hookup, of course. Nice light in there. Let's go inside and show you more stuff. Love the decor here. I love the wood, the interior, but light interior. They utilize some, a counter space, some storage. Right here you got your controls for what have you, so this way you don't look around. Did a good job here. A nice pantry for a short fifth wheel. That would come in handy as we come in. I love this, the wood here, the colors, really nice. Big window, you can sit, converse, nice love seat, you might say, with all power, heated, massaged, all power, really nice. Thomas Paine, very popular here in the RV business. Nice couch. I love the color again of this leather. Big window again, can't have enough of those. And then here we go with a fireplace, DVD, CD player right here, good for you, right there. Another, flat screen TV with nice storage in the back. Smaller fridge, but it's gonna give you enough, for a short, fifth wheel right there. Pretty cool. And you can reach, by the way, so it's not hanging out there. Love this island. Gives you nice, traffic flow in a way, with more storage, of course. Got the oven and the stove right here. Look at that. This is the new one. I like these knobs. They're better than before. Let's go up there to the bedroom. As we go here, really nice setup with an enclosed shower, okay, with a fan on top. Pretty cool. Stainless steel handles in there in the shower. As we go in here into the bedroom, this, folks, this is a slide right here. This is a slide for your wardrobe, so really cool. Nice counters. People always love that. More storage, of course, as we go. Up here you got your, outlets for what have you. Really nice touch with that. Let's go outside and show you more. And of course we got the outside kitchen, right? Really nice touch. If you like to cook outside, keep the heat away from the indoors in summertime. But I got your fridge. As we go through up here, we got, again, that's the big window that you can see from the couch there. Power outlet. Bike rack, in a way, you can say. You can hook that up here. We come around, and then we got this slide where the love seats were there. Okay, coming through, we get to here. That's your the closet, the whole closet, slide in a way. There you go. One hub, everything's right here, your outside shower, your auto level, all that good stuff in one spot. So there's more to discuss about this coach. Please give me a call when you get a chance at 541-515-1237. Thank you.